space. Now the essence of this is because defenders, when they defend, they're like that. Now if you have your strike, it's gonna be marked by this guy. So they are saying this guy plays 4-4-2, and then he's got two strikers. So place yourself in between them so that none of them can know how to mark you. Place yourself in. So the phenomenon of half spaces in modern football is key. Now how do you manage half spaces? Let's say your Zwani drops in here. Let's say Villa, depending on how they play, drops in here. They overload the midfield. You still have Kekana. The wingers are inside. You still have a striker and a striker. These guys are playing something like 5. They're overloading it. And then when they do that, they want Langerman and Morena to step up. You must deal with the phenomenon here. Now, how you deal with half spaces is to have a defense that can deal with the central space, deal with this half space on the right, the half space on the left. And then you have your wing backs. So this is the rationale. Now, if you don't play 3 at the back, some people will play 4-3-3, but still, it means they're dealing with it in the middle here. They play 4-3-3. You would have a Dean Furman, you would have a Morena, you would have a Yeye. They're still dealing with the phenomenon of the half space. And if you go the old way of playing football in a 4-4-2, these people are going to kill you here. Silva drops in here. De Bruyne drops in here. You have a problem. When Silva and De Bruyne are here, and then let's say you have Aguero, and then you're going to have Sterling and Son, then you'll have your fullbacks coming in here, Otamendi, but they still, the phenomenon, even at Sundowns, when you go approach Sundowns, you must just be ready that Mshishi will come in here. You'll have a Villa coming in here. You still have maybe a striker, whoever the striker they are, and the number 10. Deal with it. And you still have a Kekana who can come in here. You still have a Mabunda who can be here. Then you have Langerman climbing. You have a Morena climbing. How do you deal with it? Then that's where coaches must think. Now, this is where the game is, and you can't be in denial. The reason